everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can save form submission details to Grist account automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you have created a form using your Pabbly Form Builder account. The form can be a contact form, a sign up form, registration form or any kind of form. So we are taking the example of a contact form. So you have created a contact form and you have embedded that form on a website to get the form filled, or you have shared that form with your customers to get the form filled. Now you want that wherever any of the customer fills that particular contact form, automatically the details of the customer or the details of the form submission should be created as a new record into your spreadsheet program, that is Grist, so that a customer database can be created and it will be accessible for you for the future business related purposes. For this, we need to create a connection between Pabbly Form Builder and Grist. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular integration, we are using Pabbly Form Builder to create the forms. So in place of Pabbly Form Builder, you can also use Google Forms, Jot Forms, Typeform or any other form building software application. And in place of Grist, you can also use Google Sheets, Airtable or any other spreadsheet program. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Pabbly Form Builder to Grist integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills your Pabbly Form Builder form, automatically his details should be added to your Grist account automatically. For that, open this trigger window, choose the application name as Pabbly Form Builder. Select the trigger event as new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So we have to just follow these instructions to set up the webhook in our specific form. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here and we'll be moving to our Pabbly Form Builder account from here itself. We are just going to click on these 9 dots and here we can find the Form Builder option. Click on Form Builder. So this is my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard. So as I was already logged into my Pabbly Connect account, I am just redirected to my Pabbly Form Builder account. Okay. Now here I have already created some forms, that is enrollment form, application form, sign up form. So we are just going to access this contact form from here and here you can see that we have 0 submissions. Okay. So we are going to edit this form from here. And in this particular form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer. Okay, that is the first name, last name, email address and the mobile number. So if you want to add some more fields, simply select the fields as per your requirement and add it to the form. Now we have to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a customer fills the form, his details are captured in Pabbly Connect. For that, come to this integrations option, click on it, integrations, and here you have to select your form name, that is contact form. And here we have to add the webhook URL. So for that, click on this add webhook button. Here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and simply click on save. And here we can see that the webhook has been added. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and when we scroll down, here we can see that a webhook has been activated. Now we have to again click on Recapture Webhook Response button. Click on Yes. Now it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the Pabbly Form Builder form on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to the form, that is the contact form, and from here itself we are just going to access the form by clicking on this preview button. A new form will get open. Okay, and now we are going to fill up the details on the name of a customer. So let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number and click on Submit. Your message submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we have to move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find the submission date and time, first name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address, along with that the phone number. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new record should get generated into your Grist account. For that, come to this action step and choose the application name as Grist. Select the action event as Create Record. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Grist account, navigate to Profile Settings from the Account menu on the top right. Create or access your API key. So I'll take you to my Grist account. Here we can find the Profile Settings. Click on Profile Settings. And here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here and I'll be pasting the same API key over here as a token and click on Save. And now the Grist account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Grist account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Grist account. Now here we have to select the team name, which is personal in my case, automatically captured, as well as the workspace name is home. So here you have to select your team name and your workspace name. Now the document name and the table name is also required. For that, I'll just take you to my Grist account and let's move to the home page. So here I have already created some documents. So we are going to access this Pabbly Form Builder document. And in this particular document, I have created a table named Customer Data, where I have taken the fields for the first name, last name, email address and the mobile number. So if you want to add some more fields, simply click on this plus sign and you can add the fields as per your requirement. So we have to select the same document name and the table name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the document name as Pabbly Form Builder. And the table name is automatically captured just because I have created a single table in this particular document. If you have created multiple tables, from the drop down you can select your table name. Now it is asking for the first name, email address, last name and other details of the customer. So we have already got all these details from the form submission. So we are going to map these details now. For mapping, come to the field over here, click it over here, come to Pabbly Form Builder and select the name. That is the first name. Now the email needs to be mapped and this is the email address. Here we have to map the last name, that was Smith, and here we have to map the mobile number. Okay, and let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new record is created in our Grist account. Let's check it. And here we can see the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address and the mobile number added to your Grist table. And in this way, our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as this is a one-time process, we have created a connection. Next time, whenever the customer is going to fill your Pabbly Form Builder contact form, automatically the details of the customer will be added as a new record into your Grist account. So we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just open the form in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number.
Okay, and click on Submit. Your message submitted successfully. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our Grist table. And here we can see the details of the customer. First name as Shikha, last name as Arya, her email address as well as the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created a connection between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details of the customer, automatically a new record was created into a Grist table. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Grist using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.